Hey guys, Jason here from Brilliant Directories. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day and doing well. Just wanted to chime in here today. We just released a really amazing feature. We've been showing it off with Claude skills and using third parties like OpenAI and Codex. The team's been super busy and we've been able to push some of this new functionality directly in to BD Butler so you don't have to rely on third parties and you can work directly in your admin area. Most notably till today, and this is just the tip of the iceberg for this, BD Butler has the ability to have scheduled skills. And we're starting with the easy ones like creating a blog post or job listing or event post on a schedule or a one off. And it finds really good assets, really good candidates all by itself. It goes, it searches the web, it finds real job listings, real events, authoritative sources for blog posts. Let me show you kind of what's just released. I'll talk a little bit about what's to come. Let's dive into the Brilliant Directories website here. Let's take a few steps back. The last month or two, we've been talking about the Brilliant Directories MCP, connecting it to Claude, and we've even had guests on the previous webinars here. That have shared with us their amazing growth journeys with connecting AI with their Brilliant Directories via the MCP. We could just go to the Facebook here together real quick. Let me drag this in here. And I think just today we had some people posting about this. But nevertheless, let's talk about what the new scheduled skills are. All right. So in a nutshell, it's exactly as it sounds. Anywhere you see the Brilliant Directories button in the admin, and you'll start seeing it in more places, we'll probably replace the quick create with just the BD Butler because it can effectively do all this stuff out the gate. But if we go to anywhere where the BD Butler button is, we have our normal chat here. We can say hi, and we can ask it to do things. And also a recent update is you'll start seeing this in more places. BD Butler can now effectively do 99% of the things the MCP can do because it's hooked up to the same tech. So all the stuff that we were able to ask Claude and Codex and all the other third parties, N8N and Cursor to do, you can just directly ask BD Butler to do, and it can do it. What can it do? If we go here to this page, let's go to available resources. It can modify and do all these things with members, reviews, leads, posts, and more, and talks about the actions it can do, like update or list them or create them in some cases. All right, so what you'll see now is a tab here that says tasks at the top. So if we click that, I've been testing this a ton. You're going to start on new task. And right now there's just 3 skills, the same 3 skills we created for Claude, which was creating a blog article, creating an event post, or creating a job listing. Now, it's not as simple as it sounds. It does more complex stuff, meaning it actually does live web searches behind the scenes, finds good images, finds backlinks, and more. And you don't really need to tell it anything. I could just choose create blog article, pin it to an author that I want on the site because we have to choose an author for the site. Set it to publish or draft mode. I could add custom instructions, any type of flavor that I want to give it, write blog articles about X, about Y, Z, anything that you'd want. And here's the kicker. You could run it once or you can put it on a schedule. Run every hour, run every day. It's going to do 8 a.m. your time right now, your time zone if it's every day. Weekly, if you want Monday, Wednesday, Friday for something to happen, maybe you're doing different types of blogs on different days so you can create different routines. And when it's anything other than run once now, in that instance, you can save it as a routine. And what's cool is you can also let it run forever until you decide to cancel it, or you can limit the runs. For example, just do this one 10 times or 50 times and stop once it's done that. You can give it a nickname and so on. Let's just call this one demo blogs. And let's just go ahead and I know you can choose how many to create at one time. So 1, 2, or 3. And let's just let this run. We'll run one. Let's give it a flavor. This is a fitness demo site that I have. Let's say, I don't know. Again, remember, it's going to be on repeat sometimes. So you want a broad topic like working out during wintertime. Maybe we want just a series of articles on topics working on wintertime. Let's let that run. So once it runs, it's now a routine, and we have a routines tab here. And these are all the different routines that I have scheduled. You can start and stop them if you want. You can clone them and maybe change some of the directives in the custom instructions. You can even do a one-off run by clicking the manual run button, or you can edit it so as it continues doing its next one, it'll be modified. So I actually did save that as a Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's go ahead and save that, but I'll do a one-off run right now. And when we do that, we'll see now we're in the completed tab or tab for things that are running. We can see here I've done a ton of posts here. And we've also tested with like errors. So kind of it's with AI, it kind of it times out. Credits aren't used in those cases. You kind of get an alert here that lets you know what happened, and then you can try again. But for the most part, it's running really reliably. And let's take a look on the site here as to what it's sort of created for us. So if we go to events here, and it gets images, it gets as much meta detail as it can. I think this one was running every hour or so. And what's really nice is not just the images that just get auto-generated, but it does all the internal linking for you on your site. If we click here, the official event page, and this is what makes it special, is it's not manufacturing information. It's required to actually fetch real world data. It takes about 4 to 6 minutes for one of those tasks to complete. That's why it's kind of left here in the queue. Let's come back here to tasks, and we can see this is still running, and we can kind of see how long some of these take. This one took 9 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So it's kind of a set it and forget it. You can close this totally and reopen it whenever you want, and you'll see the tasks are still running. We can even, let me just rerun this event task here. So there's rerun buttons here. But this is seeding content really well on the site, and also making it kind of like an authoritative source. So you can have a week where you're going to do one topic, and maybe it correlates to categories on your site. So again, we'll stick with the fitness genre. Maybe you do strength training or cross-country training, or whatever it might be. And now you can create series of articles with the routine. And when you wake up in the morning, they'll be ready for you while you were sleeping. What I'm really impressed with are the jobs. I didn't think much of jobs when you think of a directory website, but if you're a resource hub for your industry, it's really useful. And it's really hard to source jobs, but we've trained the skill on how to hunt the internet internationally also, to reliably find jobs in different verticals, industries, niches. And it's doing a really, really great job here. So let's look here as to what some of these look like. So we have two different ones. We have a group fitness instructor in the Mayo Clinic. And by the way, look at the stock photos that it finds on its own that correlate so well for the post, which saves you so much time. It does a wonderful write-up. It adds internal links not only to other pages on your site. So here's a yoga instructors page. Let's see here. There we go, yoga instructor. So, but it also links to the official sources, which Google and AI love at this point. This is, let's see here. This was maybe not the best example here, but if we come here to this one, personal trainer Chicago, Equinox is hiring. This takes us directly to the Equinox page here. And again, the images are just fantastic. Now, where is this going to go? So blog articles and job listings and events, those are cute and they're nice and they're really convenient and they're fun. But imagine it was taken a step further with routines. Think of it as a virtual assistant that can help grow your site for you. Let's talk about members. Imagine it identifying members that needed enrichment, and it had a tool where it would go, it'd find members that are missing phone numbers or website URLs, and it would really do its best to go hunt and fill that content for you. Other things is, what if it chose premium members of a certain membership plan and really wrote an outstanding spotlight article, or prospective members, if its job was to find prospective members that would be good candidates on your site, write really good spotlight articles, email them, let them know that you really appreciate what they're doing in their job, and if there's anything they'd like to change in the article, and just create that relationship with them and have BD Butler do it for you while you're sleeping. The other thing we want to do soon is, again, right now we've kind of preset these skills here, but it really can do everything the MCP can do. So any type of member modifications or updates. So allowing you to save your own skills, which are basically routines that it can run, and how to do those routines. That's going to empower a lot of our users to kind of things that we can't even think about right now, have this doing for them to help them manage and grow their sites on autopilot. Another thing we're looking forward to is this producing reports for you. You can kind of tell it, like, every Monday, make a report of my site that includes newest members, revenue the last week, refunds, and email it to me. And you can have it do that for you, create the email and send it to you, the website owner, every Monday or so, whatever it might be. So we're really excited for where this is going. The content creation is kind of the fun stuff, the easy stuff, the enriching your pages with SEO content. That's definitely going to happen, but I'm excited to see how a lot of you use this in other cases as we add more skills and capabilities to this. But phase one, launch one of the tasks and skills, you can go ahead and ask it to create blog articles. If you want to see what it can do, just do a run once. The custom instructions are optional, but you can kind of guide it as to the type of genre of article or post that you want. If you want family events or events, outdoor events, or events happening in December, whatever it might be, this is your place to kind of put a one-liner or a few sentences for the custom instructions. And then when you'll see it, I didn't even show this. When it's done, this toggles open and you can see the result here of what was created, a link to it, and some of the meta information, what your original custom instructions were, and so on. I had one do like 3 articles at one point. Let me see if I can find that. Here it is. So I had it create 3 event posts in one shot. We can open these 3 up together. And let's take a look at them. Shoreline Marathon, Ventura Beach. Look at the pictures, guy running on the beach. Let's take a look at this link here. There we go, Shoreline Marathon. Bay Area Fit Fest, and just writes a nice little summary about the event, kind of like what you'd see on a Facebook or a LinkedIn. Takes you right to the page here for the event. And this last one, a boxing San Francisco sparring day. Nice picture there. Let's go to the official event page. And then imagine if it creates these for you. We create a routine where it also creates a social media post shouting out the organizers or people involved that you're now also promoting them on your site. It just gives you an opportunity to create those amazing relationships. So I'll leave it there. Let us know in the comments if give it a try and let us know what you create. Definitely there's room for improvement and more capabilities, and we're excited to have feedback. And after this phase 1, what's going to come in the version 2 of these scheduled skills with BD Butler. As always, we appreciate the BD community and your support so much. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you're using it, and any ideas you have. Cheers, have a great day and a brilliant week.